Hey guys, so after Friday's Facebook Live, which is my first one that I did in a long time, I've had quite a few people asking me about the Blockonomics group and all of that stuff and asking me questions based on what I said on Friday. So, like I said on Friday, you know, it's time to stop listening to all the bullshit out there. It's the same whether Bitcoin price is an all-time high or the lowest it's been, like it is at the moment, thereabouts, for the last 12 months. Ultimately, there's a lot of experts that come out when it's high. Not too many experts come out when it's low. But the reality is, there's a lot of bullshit out there at the moment. And like I said on Friday, this is a manipulated market. It's as simple as that. The reason the price was an all-time high this time last year, or towards the end of the year, and it's so low now, is because it is manipulated. It's as simple as that. This is not a regulated market. Like I said on Friday, if this was the NASDAQ, markets would have been suspended 6 times at least because of the lows we've received in any given 24-hour period. So I see so much crap on my Facebook timeline about Bitcoin and crypto. I see people mocking it. I see people, so-called experts, talking a lot of rubbish. And as someone that's been in this game for nearly 6 years now, it's all part of the natural highs and lows. But those natural highs and lows, ultimately, in the last 12 months, have definitely been manipulated. Simples. It's out and out manipulated, and I can tell you why it's manipulated, because if you look at the top 100 Bitcoin wallets out there, 60 to 70%, those wallets have got increased by 60 to 70%. So that tells you everything you need to know. So when we see, like we did yesterday, the market going up a little bit, and today it's come back down a little bit, this is to get people to sell as much of their Bitcoin or their crypto as possible. Mainly Bitcoin. I mean, ultimately, most of the altcoins now follow what Bitcoin does within a couple of percentage areas. Obviously, there's always exceptions to the rule, but if we're just talking about Bitcoin, everything else follows. It's as simple as that. So there's so much crap out there about, you know, it's the end of Bitcoin, it's going to go to zero. This is a multi-billion-dollar industry, a multi-billion-dollar industry. It's going nowhere. That doesn't mean that the price of Bitcoin is not going to fall lower. It may well do. But the blockchain industry specifically, and the cryptocurrency industry, is going nowhere. Like I said last week, next year we'll see some regulations coming through. More regulations. In many ways, regulations are a good thing because it'll stop some of the crap that's going on at the moment. But I see so much rubbish out there being talked. I see people now, it's low, mocking people that bought when it was higher. I see not too many experts now talking about it because it's low. But let me tell you now, I've been in it for 6 years. I'm still in it. I've had a horrendous year this year. Trading of Bitcoins this year has been horrendous. But I'm still here because deep down, I believe in what this is going to do moving into the future. I'm a guy that got thrown out of his NatWest bank by the police because they froze my bank account for 12 days and refused to give me any money and refused to tell me anything why they had frozen them. If you're holding Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency for that matter and you hold the wallet, nobody can freeze your wallet. Nobody can stop you sending money. Nobody can stop you receiving money like PayPal or any of the merchant accounts potentially do. That's why I'm so excited about it. Still, even now. And let me say, like I said on Friday, price is the price. But one Bitcoin is still one Bitcoin. Just like $1 is $1. At the moment, I look at the pound. And because of all this crap that Brexit's going on, what a fuck up that is, the dollar rate to the pound is now 126. So if you're earning dollars, great. Your pounds are worth more. If you're looking to buy dollars, you're considerably screwed compared to this time last week. But that pound is still the pound. It just means that your pound will buy you less dollars. The same as one Bitcoin is still worth one Bitcoin. So all of the fluff and crap out there about the price, understand that it's being manipulated. Understand why they're manipulating it. The top 100 wallets out there, their Bitcoin balances have gone up by 60 to 70% in 1 year. That tells you all you need to know. It's a game plan. Now, admittedly, people around me and myself didn't think the price would fall this low, because it's actually costing more to mine a Bitcoin now than it actually costs, than it's actually trading for. But that even actually strengthens the argument that it's more manipulated, because these miners who are continuing to mine, they're not mining for the fun of it. They're mining knowing, as a long-term plan, what that Bitcoin they're mining is going to be worth. Think about it. So ignore a lot of the crap and the hassle. If you're somebody that's looking at cryptocurrencies, you should still be excited. If you're somebody that's sitting on cryptocurrencies and you bought higher than it's worth now, at the end of the day, you haven't lost anything until you've sold. It's as simple as that. And ultimately, if you bought higher than if you bought higher than it's currently worth, you just got to wait, because I guarantee you, at some point, and I gave up giving timelines to prices about 4 months ago. At some point, that Bitcoin will be worth more than you paid for it. It will. It will definitely be worth more than you paid for it at some point. But it's a waiting game. And like I said, you can't lose until you've sold. So forget a lot of the crap out there. The filtering that you've got to do when you're reading about Bitcoin's over, it's the nail in the coffin for Bitcoin. This is a multi-billion-dollar industry that's going nowhere. A manipulation is happening on the price for a very good reason, and that reason is there's the whales out there, and the people that are pulling them strings want a little bit more Bitcoin than they've currently got. And if you're a holder, hold. If you're somebody that's looking to get in, at some point in the next few weeks, I would imagine is about the best time to get in. If you're sick of listening, if you're sick of hearing all the crap out there and you want some real talk and no bullshit advice, and you want to be part of a group of people that believe in the same, join blockonomicsgroup.com. I put it in the description. Sign up. It's completely free. You will be able to get access to the latest news out there. We have a stream of news about all this stuff coming into that network group all the time, completely for free. You can join the group at Blockonomics Group. It's not a Facebook group. It's a separate group. It's blockonomicsgroup.com. And you'll be able to access a whole bunch of information, all of the latest news. It's something going into next year. I'm going to be heavily expanding. There's going to be thousands of people in there, all interested in cryptocurrencies and blockchain. And ultimately, it's there to help each other. And I'm going to be running it, and I'm going to be expanding a lot more. If you join that, you're going to be able to get access to things like this for free. This is my crypto starter manual. If you're getting into it and you don't know that much about crypto, this is pretty much all you need. Pretty much all you need. You can get access to the PDF version of this for free, and if you want the printed one, you just cover postage and packing, and you're going to be able to get it for free. Pretty much all you need. This gives you everything you need, from getting started to wallets to mining and the bigger picture overview. And then early next year, my Blockonomics book is coming out, which gives you a whole slew of information about this and why it's so exciting. Stuart, thank you very much. I need to speak to you soon. I will catch you soon. Love you too, mate. Albert, nice to see you back on my broadcast again. You were one of my main contributors on Friday, and thanks for asking them questions. So yeah, join blockonomicsgroup.com. Simple, free to join. And I'm going to be putting links in there so you can get this for free. The PDF version is for free, and if you want the physical copy, you just cover postage and packing. Like I said in here, the future of money is digital currency. In the next 5 to 10 years, you are going to be seeing some amazing things happening in this space. I'm not saying it's going to be Bitcoin that's the leader. It's not. Ultimately, my personal belief is Bitcoin's going to be the gold reserve type currency. That's what it's going to be. But like I said on Friday's cast, Bitcoin is 3 times more than gold, worth 3 times more than gold. I remember it was the day that the price of Bitcoin surpassed the gold price. That was a big day, but it's still now, even with its lows of 12 months, still 3 times worth more than gold. And like I also said here, top banks are looking at Bitcoin and blockchain technology that runs it. Banks are investing millions and millions of dollars into the blockchain technology that's out there. They're not doing that just for the fun. They are slowly catching up to it. And the more this becomes regulated, the more, like I said on Friday again, the more big investment money that's going to be coming in. The corporate investment money that's being lined up to come into this area is unbelievable. It's massive. And once that regulation happens, it's going to happen. I hope this was some value to you. Join at blockonomicsgroup.com. Links in the description above here, and join for free, and you can get access to me in there, get access to all the news in there, and we're going to be putting a load more stuff in there. And as I say, next year you're going to be seeing me talk more about Blockonomics and the Blockonomics Group. But blockonomicsgroup.com is the place to start for free. Albert signed up for free on Friday, so more of you. But I've had people asking me, that's why I wanted to talk about this. But here's my piece of advice. Stop listening to all the bullshit. Stop listening to all the naysayers. Cryptocurrency is going nowhere. It's a rocky road. It's been a rocky road all year. I'm living proof of it. It's been a rocky road. It's been a shitty road if you're trading cryptocurrencies this year. The good, the bad, they all come in different waves. This time last year, we were all rubbing our hands because of the amount of money being made. It's been a shitty road. But let me tell you now, it's the people, the whales at the top manipulating the price. That's all it is. It's no indication of this going down and never being a thing. Like I said, if you're holding, continue to hold. At some point, your crypto that you are investing in, if it's any of the top 10 cryptos, will be worth more than you paid. If you're thinking of getting in, get into blockonomicsgroup.com. Feel free to get in there, look at what's going on, and I'm going to be doing a lot more on that. If you're somebody that's involved in crypto already, I'm going to be looking for people to help me get the word out about it. I'm going to be looking for people to be involved in that Blockonomics group. So if you're watching this and you already are interested in crypto and you want to help me out on that group, like I said, it's a completely free group. It will always be a free group. If you want to help me out with that and you're interested in more working with me, let me know. Hit me up on Facebook Messenger. Thank you very much for watching. Go and sign up now. Ignore the bullshit. Keep it real, and I will catch you very soon.